This is my brand new top for my Miata. I have a 2001 Miata. It came with a tan top that was vinyl. I changed it up and went with a black top that is cloth. So it's a higher end top. It's the highest one I could find, honestly. It was over $800. It's a Robbins top. And today I'm going to be applying 303 fabric guard on it. I researched different fabric guard materials or products, and that was probably one of the best ones I found that was simple to use, and I found good results and everything online with it. The Robbins top actually came with a 303 brochure in it, so they recommend the 303 products, so that's good to know. The only thing so far I've done to the top is I got the glass tinted. I think it was 17 or 18%. I wanted to do that while the top was off. It only cost me like $20. So it's easier to do than with it on the car. This is the no zipper with the defroster in the glass. So it's the highest optioned Miata top you can buy. Hopefully it lasts a lot better than old top. Old top, it started cracking and it had some stains and stuff on it, and the back glass actually fell through, so hopefully this one doesn't do that. First, I'm going to vacuum it off just to get any loose dust or hair or anything like that off of it. It's been sitting in the box since I got it, but it's never had anything on it. It's brand new out of the box. I'm just going to vacuum it off real quick, then I'll apply the fabric guard. So that looks pretty good. There was quite a bit of like hair and fibers and dust and stuff, just little specks of stuff. Not too bad, but that vacuum, it got it off. So next up, I'm gonna install the fabric guard. I'm just gonna like spritz it on there, and then around the window, I'll use a microfiber cloth and just kind of put it on the window so I don't get anything on the actual glass. Yeah, I've got the fabric guard on the nozzle on spray. Put my cloth there. I'm just gonna start here. I'll probably go this way first. It says on the back of it to go one way, then go the opposite way diagonally. So like this way, and then go again that way. So I'll put 2 coats on it, I guess. I think is what it says. I already got some on the glass. Need to not spritz so much over here. I don't want to oversaturate either. If there's little bubbles, those little bubbles, I'll just kind of poke them with my finger. Let's see. This is my first time using this or doing anything like this, so it's all new to me. I'm gonna try to get up under this glass better too. I think that actually worked pretty well. I just got this last section over here. So there's the first spray with it done. I'm going to let it sit here for a while and let it dry a little bit, then I'll go back over it and put a second layer on it. That was pretty easy. It didn't take hardly, a minute or two at all. So hopefully that was all it needs. Just 2 layers of that and it should be good. I feel like it was evenly coated. I'm in a bedroom, so it'd be best to do this outside or in a garage or something, because I can smell the fumes right now. I've got the fan on, and I'll let this sit in here for a while. I may need to open a window too. It's been about an hour. I'm going to respray this, and I may spray it a little heavier than I did the first time. Let's see, I did it mostly this way last time, so I'll try to go up and down this time. It looks to be fairly well dried. So that's the whole top, like roof part. I'm just gonna pop the few bubbles that's on here. I don't know that you even need to do that, but might as well. Alright. So now that this is finished and the product sprayed on the top, it says it needs to sit for 12 hours or 12 to 24 hours, and it says to have it in the sun at 70 degrees or more. So it's going to be inside at probably around 70, maybe a little less. And I'm going to let it go for at least 24 hours and probably a lot more before I put it probably back in the box. So tomorrow about 6 p.m. or so, 6 or 7 p.m., it'll be 24 hours. And it'll be probably Monday or maybe even the following week till I get to put it on the car. So the next step after spraying on the product onto your top is letting it sit for 12 to 24 hours. In my case, it's going to be 24 hours or longer. So I think that's going to be good. That's one kind of light coat and then a second fairly heavy coat. I've used, my bottle is about right here where my thumb is on fullness. So I've probably got maybe 2 more applications. Probably got about 2 more applications I could do with that bottle. Hopefully this works really great, and next step is going to be putting the top actually on the car. So hopefully I can do that within the next week or 2. Then I'll let y'all know how this product actually works on the top. So thanks for watching, and check back next time to see what else I'm doing with the Miata and anything else I've got going on. Bye.